been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Morning. Wait, hold on. Good morning. Happy Easter to everyone. Sorry, I have my thing going here. I'm making some juice. That's why you guys are hearing the noise. And I got my meat seasoning here. And I'm doing some pasta. So that is what I got my helper in the kitchen as always. Thank God. Yes, the lighting is kind of bad. Oh, like I was saying, happy Easter to everybody. Yes. Happy Easter. I hope you guys, if you didn't have fish to eat today, you don't have a big meal, that is okay, as long as you put something in your belly. If you have a bun and cheese, then that's still great. If you don't have the bun, at least get some cheese and bread. And if not, butter and bread still good, as long as you're eating. That's all that matters, right? So I hope everybody is enjoying their Easter so far. I'm currently here. Well, I got the pasta over there, as you can see. Fate's looking about the ground beef, and I got the lasagna shells here going, and I'm still cutting up some stuff, and I'm doing the mix for the other stuff. The cheese is greater, the festival and bami down that way being sorted out. We'll make some rice and peas as well, because the Williams them said them want them rice and peas along with everything else. So that is the straps. I'm going to see if somebody else can vlog, because currently I'm busy up here and the other kitchen is occupied too. So I want to catch vlogs of both to see what is up, so you guys can get some footage. But like I said, happy holidays to everybody. I hope you're staying safe. Another year, another pandemic holiday, but you know what, as long as we're alive around people that we love, we have to be grateful that we live to see another year. And we just have to pray and hope that next year, 2022, hopefully this time next year, it will be gone. But if not, we still just have to be grateful that every day that we live through what is going on. And yeah, we live to tell the tales to others. And for those that have passed on due to what is going on, condolences, because it is not easy. It's never easy, whether you are sick, sudden death, no matter what you're going through. It's never easy losing a loved one. And we got the nice breeze, as you see the doors coming in and out. And hopefully we'll get good weather. So, you know, just the family, everybody's getting together with their spouse and stuff. And yeah, we're just having a nice family dinner. Like, you know, I love when family are together. It's always been a thing of mine to have my family. I love having my family around me and just being able to enjoy each other's company, eat, laugh, you know, tell some old stories, watch a movie, and just enjoy each other's company. So I always love when my family and friends are around. So that is all that we are doing right now. Let me take you guys, go show you what is going on outside. Okay guys, so they're starting with the fish and everything. I'm gonna get a glimpse of what's happening. Uncle Ron just come from work. Uncle Ron, I cut up the knife here, so. Yes, go on, chef up Uncle Ron.
Careful, you know.
That means you see Uncle Ron come right time. You can't start, put on the pot now. Good morning, guys. You know, it's Giselle family. I'm just kidding. You know, it's the Williams family. Yeah. So, we have Big Sir on the back. Yeah, I'm Big. Yeah. So, stop mix up with me and them. Yeah. So, today's a vibe here. We are having some fish, and it's a family dinner, you know. Not really have to tell no what me have yet. Wanna see. Yeah, so
it's gonna be a vibe over here and stuff like that. Yeah, we have fire right there and stuff like that. And Uncle Al in there cutting up the carrots and stuff. Faith is gonna bring y'all over there to show y'all. Can I go show them Uncle Al in the yeah, Uncle Maria do I wonder, yes, sir. You fish?
Yeah. I want fish. Can I see him?
Y'all see that? Woo! I don't know say fish I go well hot. That's Shinori. Hi. It looks so pretty, so. Eh? And the grill is set up for Uncle Ron to put the fish on the grill. And this the one for the pot there right there, so. So, yeah. Nothing too big has happened yet. Mario, but I said I were on the house. You know, everybody's getting everything prepared. That's all we're doing for now, guys. Nothing too special yet, because we're gonna continue doing more stuff, and when everything is ready, we are going to, you know, give you guys a glimpse of what's happening. So yeah, until then, stay tuned, guys. Pasta. Lasagna stuff. Yes.
You want hard butter or no matter?
Say hi, Kashay. Never still the same. Yes, and all. This is lasagna and pasta.
Lasagna, not lasagna, pasta, mad girl.
Jamaica, I come from. Lasagna. Where? We look at them. All there.
Guys, so this is being washed. Stuff is on. And we got some of the mixtures there. Let me go see what is taking place outside. Cassie! Yes, the fish is frying. Don't mind all of us. We all look a hot mess. We're not fully dressed. What? Yes, the chef in the building. And we got, see, some nice outdoor cooking. Backside. Yeah, and that well stuff. Karine, see your friend there. Look at the fish them big. Yeah, now this is what you call fish. Yeah.
One of them nothing having no okra.
One of them,
So you have to go market. I want to eat okra.
No, I lie, I know so I go. One of them, yes.
Raquel no want the okra.
No, I fried fish Raquel one.
So one of them want pure okra and I eat?
Yes.
Alright, Mr.
Oh, you need
Add okra now, one of them for me too. Lord.
The okra you want now for you?
Shan,
Eh?
you don't have nobody. The square
Come
one.
Karen, give me okra.
The square ones?
Yes.
The ones that me buy? Remember two of them lasagna going on them?
Yes, me know.
Me have round there, not Giselle when Giselle and Memphis there when me send fish in them. Rissa, they have two round there. Look and see if there's a shiny pan in the kitchen and bring it round. So let me show you guys what's going on with the house. Yes, work is still getting done. Mr. William is working. Oh shoot, see, so bathroom parts boxed up. Hello, Stickums. Hello. They say you're working?
Yeah.
You're working? You need to chip up this one. No, you're full around. So here, so him need to finish the box up. Morning smooch. Okay. So here and then on here.
Mercy.
Me just showing quickly. So Mr. Williams is hard at work. The other Williams is doing the fish and the other one is frying the fish. Okay, that don't sound too good. The other Williams, they season the fish. One they season the fish and one's frying the fish. We don't find the pan. Oh gosh. Kareem, I fry in big catch.
You take out the big fish already, you say you fry.
Them the one left can fry. The big one them.
So not trouble no more than one then.
Just cut the other side.
So that I half of one plate there, so could they? Me blouse and skirt. You know, some didn't realize that I saw them the big so. The fish
Some of
there.
them big.
Yeah, and then we
Some
get
liquor.
cause we get them for the kids. Because the woman they want to give you all the big fish. She's like, me can't give you no all the big fish them.
They want only.
But if we are here for them, not give you the big one them. Yeah.
I try to tell you so.
Yeah, we are here for them, give you the big one them.
Anything when me buy, anything me pay for.
They act like a free. And then they make
Could have
money.
bad blood.
No, some of them and then say, not even the same one, they say for mixy. Yeah, they want with mix them.
Me know everyone. Me no want to stick.
So there you guys go. Alright. And this is our outdoor kitchen. So we have 3 kitchen going. 2 out, 1 outdoor, 1 and 2 indoor one. Wanna be careful. Oh gosh, the hill.
Your cookie down in a cookie.
Cookie down.
Like vegetable. I'm not having enough fish.
Shonori, you not gonna run too? That's after dinner. After dinner that's for dessert with
Come on now.
oh.
I feel you go by now.
After dinner with bun and cheese.
You think over every minute, yeah?
Yeah.
Come here.
Shonori want dessert before food. So we have the cold here. So this is for the grilled fish. Then go put it. Giselle, them not finished watching on them yet, Karin. Yellow female Memphis near my back. Yeah, then the two they together coming like before I did him and Faith and now then the together one knock them two head together. Them have this. Alright, so I finally got the girls in the kitchen helping. Giselle finally come in here. Don't watch him my dad. So we getting the stuff them together. No.
Yeah, sweat.
So them there for what? Yeah, put them in the freezer. Me and Faith already have.
So give
Risa and the kids them, the little ones them. So just cut up the pepper. So the stuff them are finished. We just get ready for
This
put them in.
More.
It's strongy.
What's up somewhere?
Oh, the first thing.
You too much. Just left back one scoop. Left back some for me and him.
Because I don't really like macaroni pie. I see macaroni and cheese on it. I've been there for me.
You don't like me, Kironi pie? I will come back.
You come back. Okay, you come back. What is that, mommy? It's the butter. That's fine. So you want to finish that?
Finish.
No, you want to cash with one of them. And make us start with this on it. And the plate you need to grate the rest of one start to finish. You gotta grate the cheese and then grate that on top of it.
Mommy, cheese grate already.
I mean, put the cheese on it, you know what I mean. Grate our cheese.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yes,
Then eat then dessert now. When then go eat later.
Then I freezer.
Man, one in the freezer.
For me, never put for me in the freezer.
Give me that freezer.
Come me want it when we are go watch show.
They have to give me some.
Oh, come here, say we one of these blinking sitting there.
Yeah, me have one night in here. Because of this, and I go hold all everything.
How about sitting there?
Make you one bandage. Yeah.
Yes, I hit me there, tell you where to
Hold
go.
on. Can you have bandage?
Where are the family? The one who is sitting there, what do you?
What?
I told them that. The one who went short in this stuff. I don't know.
What cut your finger?
But then I me just go for say. After no more cheese, not the day.
Because greater this one you put in there too.
Better eat and pretend like so not cheese.
Even cheesy one, you know, because once you something spread, if you spread across, that's how I to make sure now salt it
The
out.
2 layer one don't have cheese.
Huh?
Every layer have cheese.
Yeah.
What
Wait me what me want. You saw this one wants to play music and give me copyright, people. Yeah, tell him, Shonori. Say hot. This your face? You see camera up on you, go quiet now. So all the munchkins, everybody ready to eat. Let me see, what we got? So who would have blessed the table?
Mama,
So we're ready to eat, festive. Everything cover. Come, wanna come? Take off your stuff, the man, bless, and let's get the digging.
Call everybody.
Hello, everybody, we're spread out. Let's go. Time is of the essence.
Oh my, soon curfew.
Yeah. Oh, yes, yeah, soon curfew. Oh, the curfew. All right. Oh, that's soon curfew. You go take off the lids and stuff. Oh, we run down there so and they cry. See, plate them here, so Karine.
Yeah, I miss them. When they come on,
Eh? So everybody spread out. So what is this? Everybody take cheer. Yeah, mash you up. You know, auntie. Pour on me cheer. Come, I forgot to take off something them. Memphis, bring the 2 drinks them in the fridge, come. Actually, no. You know.
girls, come, the man.
Wow.
You want puppy on your foot. You can't call it out if you can bite him.
Why?
You want puppy on your foot.
Amen.
All right, go on, go across. So. Come. Hello. All right. Go ahead.
We are standing on holy ground.
Okay.
How that go? On holy ground, and I know that.
Lord, pull us together as one, O God, so we can magnify your precious name. Father God, we come before you this evening to have peace, O God. Lord, we remember you, O God, while you're on the cross, O God, you have died to save us all. Mighty God, they said that we should not worship Easter, but mighty God, from we were born, we admire that this is the day when Friday was the day when they crucified you, God. So we come before you today, oh God. We're not giving thanks like celebrating the death, oh God. We felt it so much to know that you have done so much for us, and still we have our wicked ways and most.
All right, the kids them first. So, wanna line up. Eh?
I don't like no.
Go on, let the kids go and line up. Hello, me tell us no come out here. I must know. So guys, we got fish on the grill. Stang ya come.
Here's your uncle and your lasagna.
Run the ground at your van and eat everything. Run it, you're not fully reach on it yet yet. Apart we are eat what Hello, it's called buffet style. Go ahead, listen.
I'm doing a service for my country and my family. That means saving the people I love.
Ready, man?
You not get your fish?
That's what I do.
Come and get more.
Want me to share one more?
Say no get festival.
Uncle.
And then the fish, Mario. Your fish.
Ready?
Eh? Sit there, so.
You want the salmon, Maro?
Shanoria dance. Backside, Ray. Say, a plate empty, mommy. You need more food. Alright, so everybody festive and eating.
Let me fish.
What me fish? In a business about nothing else, you want to fish?
2 plate right there?
2 plate, you have that plate and then you have a plate. Mario, this is Mario's plate as well. Alright. Look at all the big belly people them. Eh? All the belly people them with the guts. Everybody belly big. That's why you not eat. Eh? You have no food.
My belly always flat.
Belly flat. Everybody belly full. Okay, come on plate. And the food is not even done, people. Only we still got food. They look like they can't move. They have to go back later. Eh? Ready? They have to go back. Joshua! Joshua! Come. Come eat. See? We still have a whole heap of food left. Eh? What you say? Who ready for seconds and thirds? And someone already reached there already.
All that our fears we see. No one will left now. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You want